Hello friends, you're watching Gate Helpline, and in this video we'll see NPCIL recruiting through Gate 2022. So friends, this is the fourth PSU we are covering in this section, and the playlist is PSUs through Gate 2022. So friends, if you want to see rest of the PSU details as well, you can check on the top right of this video where we have already provided the link to the playlist, and you can check the description as well. So friends, in this video we will be covering NPCIL, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. So friends, to reach this website, you can use the URL that is npcilcareers.co.in. The same URL will provide in the description section as well. So for the timely updates and notifications, you need to visit this website that is npcilcareers.co.in for NPCIL. So friends, for the current advertisement of Gate 2022, that is provided on the right hand section of this website. So if you see, there is something scrolling on the right side of this video, that is Recruitment of Executive Trainees 2022 in NPCIL through GATE. So this is the exact advertisement which is the main agenda of this video. So you can just click here and download the advertisement. For the sake of saving some time, I had already downloaded this PDF. So let's start the video and jump on to the advertisement. So friends, this is the advertisement which is having 3 pages. So the first page is having the advertisement in local language, that is Marathi. The second page is having the advertisement in Hindi. And the third page is having the advertisement in English. So for this video, we'll just cover the English advertisement, but that is same throughout the advertisements. That is page 1, 2 and 3. It's just the language difference. So the advertisement starts with, be a partner, join NPCIL for a challenging and progressive career. So friends, this is the tagline of NPCIL. And the advertisement starts with recruitment of engineering graduates in NPCIL through GATE. So friends, the first paragraph is about NPCIL. So I will just quickly read out what NPCIL is and what they exactly want to let you know about NPCIL. So NPCIL is a premier public sector enterprise under the administrative control of Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, having a comprehensive capability in all facets of nuclear technology, namely setting of NPPs, design, construction, commissioning, operations, maintenance, renovation, modernization and upgradation, plant life extension, waste management and decommissioning of nuclear reactors in India under one roof. So friends, this is a very exciting and a booming career if you got a opportunity to work in NPCIL. So now we'll jump on to the main agenda of this video, that is the eligibility criteria of applying to NPCIL. So that is NPCIL is planning to recruit engineering graduates as executive trainees, that is ET 2022. So friends, the designation you will be getting is executive trainees, and the eligible disciplines are mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation and civil. So these are the 6 branches or disciplines through which you can apply to NPCIL. And the mandatory thing is interested candidates should possess valid GATE score. So friends, you should have a valid GATE score unless you won't be able to apply for NPCIL. And that GATE score should be in any of the disciplines mentioned above at the time of applying online in NPCIL. So from this line, this is clear that you should possess a GATE score that should be in these 6 disciplines only, and you need to separately apply for NPCIL as well. So the shortlisting of candidates for interview will be done based on the GATE score. So friends, from this line, we got to know that there won't be any written examination. There will be only 2-step process. The first one is a valid GATE score. On the basis of that, they will be shortlisting the candidates, and then there will be a direct interview. So the detailed advertisement is actually available on npcilcareers.co.in and npcil.nic.in. And friends, the link to apply for NPCIL recruitment will be available only after GATE 2022 results are announced. Okay, that will be tentatively around end of March 2022. So for more details, you can visit gateiitkgp.ac.in as well. And for more updates and notification, you can visit their official websites. These are the 2 websites which you can visit on regular basis to know more updates about NPCIL recruitment through GATE 2022. So friends, in this video, we have covered the advertisement NPCIL has kept for the recruitment of engineering graduates in NPCIL through GATE. So friends, if you have any doubt or question, please put a comment below this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the another video.